Hi, hello. I decided that if I don't start making videos now, it's never going to happen because I have no excuse anymore when I am just chilling at home, not doing much. Next guy literally just dropped off my Ipsy bag. Lizzie convinced me, thank you Lizzie, to get this for the first time. I went ahead and got the Glam Bag Plus. So it's 5 products for 25 bucks a month. So I figured I'd just sit down, kind of go over which products that I got. This month's Ipsy did come with this cute little bag. When you open it, it's this nice like lime green color, says Unstoppable, super cute. It also does come with this cute little card that just kind of tells you how much the product is regularly, or I guess what it actually is worth, and then like a little bit of information on each product that it sends you. First up, I'm actually going to start with a product that is like a bath product, so I will not be using that on camera. So first up, the coffee scrub. I believe it's from a brand called the Coffee Scrub because it says thecoffeescrub.com, so I'm assuming that's what the actual brand is. And then the scent or the kind of body scrub is coconut. This will buff and moisturize your skin. It's got grapeseed oil, vitamin E, almond oil, all really good things for the skin on your legs and your belly and your arms and your chest, everywhere but your face. Next thing I got was probably like the thing I was most excited for when Lizzie showed me her box, because it's an eye cream, and this is the only skincare, besides the coffee scrub, this is the only skincare product that I got in my bag. It's a revitalizing eye cream. A little card that they give you, they say for the eye gel, its main focus points are to soften lines, depuff bags, brighten up dark circles, and soothe irritation. And I really feel like of all the eye creams that I've like played around with and stuff, this is definitely gonna help more so with puffiness and dark circles. Just based off of my first impression of putting it on my hand, it does have like a very cooling effect, and I haven't even had, like, I just pulled this out of the box, I've not even put it in the fridge, but my hand feels cool, which I really like. Next up is the palette that it came with. I really like the Balm, but I don't own anything by the Balm, mostly because they have a lot of just like natural colors, and I don't do a lot of natural looks. So I'm actually really intrigued to play around with this one solely because it comes with this black primer, and it's like a gel. Gel's maybe not the best way of describing this. It's a primer, like it's not a shadow, it's not powder, but it says you're supposed to put this on and then put one of these colors on top of it. So yeah, I'm going to do that today for sure. Next thing is this gorgeous concealer brush. I want to read what it says on here. Complex Couture is the brand. Precise concealer brush. I think its point is to get like really close up into the corners of your eyes. Big sponge person, so these kind of make me nervous, but it's so pretty. I've been in the market for some new brushes, so I'm very excited to try that out. Okay, next up, eyeliner. Also been in the market for a really good like felt tip eyeliner. I'm gonna read off of this too, just so I say it right. This one's called Seraphine Botanicals Luna Liner Water Resistant Liquid Eyeliner in black. I've kind of already played around with it on my hand, you can see, but we're gonna do it again. Oh, fresh liquid liner is the best. Last product is this lip oil. This is called, it's from the brand Yensa Super 8 Lip Oil in pink. It's a really good way of moisturizing your lips, but like if you don't want to wear lipstick or anything, you'll have a little bit of a tint to it, I guess. And then I was reading the ingredients because I'm like, well, what are the Super 8 superfoods, whatever. So the things I recognize are castor seed oil, broccoli seed oil, which I have never seen broccoli in a skincare product, but okay. Coconut oil, carrot oil, linseed oil, rice bran oil, avocado. There's another castor oil, chia seed oil, sesame seed, jojoba, that's what I got my Ipsy bag this month. If you want to see the look I'm going to create with this, just keep watching. If you have made it this far, thank you for watching. I'm hoping that I can do a couple videos and then post on Facebook or something. I don't know. I get really nervous. I could do this in person. Like, I could sit here and explain all these products and go through everything, but it's weird when it's just me talking to a camera. Like, I have to say certain things like 5 times for it to sound good, and this is hard. Like, I don't know. This is just, it's such a weird time to be also doing this, because I feel like a lot more people are doing stuff like this or live streaming, and so maybe this will make me feel a little bit more comfortable doing it. But the part I love doing is the actual makeup portion, and just finding creative ways of making it like look a little bit cooler, rather than just sitting here and talking and doing my makeup. But if you want me to do that, I will totally do that. Or maybe one day I could do like a live stream while I'm like doing my face routine or something. I don't really know. Leave a comment below if you want me to do something specific, if you want me to go over certain things or like certain skincare products. I would love to. So I'm gonna do my hair, and then I'm gonna film the makeup stuff, and yeah, take some pictures, sit and look out my window. If you want to stick around, see the makeup look, that's what I'll be doing next. You can also find me on Instagram at AbbyLizGale. I'll link everything down in the bottom of this video. Thanks for watching.
Now I mess up and I miss you.